This is step by step how I make this lovely corned beef sauce. Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making corned beef sauce for my boy. I tell like this corned beef sauce is that anytime I don't need to worry about what I'll give my boy for lunch, because once there's sauce I can boil yam, potato, plantain, or even spaghetti for him to use it and eat. Sit back and watch us make this corned beef sauce together. Today is the first time I'm coming across my channel. You are welcome. You are my today VIP. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and support your girl by sharing my content. As you can see, everything is almost ready. Time to start cooking. Thank you for supporting me. Let me just leave you to watch the video from beginning to the end to understand how I make delicious corned beef egg sauce. For the corned beef sauce, there's no egg in it too.